Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where ChatGPT is stuck and does not complete a response, then please watch this video. Now, obviously, you can open it on a different browser, but I'll tell you that isn't the real problem when it comes to ChatGPT. This is an exceptional software. Why? Just type ChatGPT server status and go to OpenAI status page. Just wait. You'll see mostly it would be facing server issues. And if you check the ChatGPT server downtime, it is very high. It's almost 60% or more. Maybe it's 50%. Okay, so the downtime rate is very high in the previous few days. This is the only day when it hasn't been down. So this is how bad the server status is for ChatGPT. So if you're facing issues with ChatGPT is stuck and doesn't complete a response, in 99% of the cases, or 99.99% cases, it is the server status, and you will have to wait. There's no other way out for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.